Set up 9 night pass and everything was to make a step on them ends figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Welcome guys, Greenball back again with another reaction video. Today we react to Kamakaze Road Rain. So the UK brother, yes, the white brother will react to what he on not line bad. You see me in freestyle, sick. And I think him alone. UK artist freestyle overall sick, bro. That's some of the sickest freestyle I'm ever hear, bro. But not tell no lie. But I compare it to that a little bit yo, nothing I compare to though. UK thing sick. You see me, I respect how them do them thing, bro. Big man thing. So I check out Kamakaze Road Raid. I see if the man got steam up that one, if the man got flamed up this, you see me, like him to the last one. And I don't think he got harder than the last one, you know. I don't think he got that harder than the last one, but it's still fire. So probably Road Rage, probably harder, you see me. So I check it out and see what I go on feed, you see me. So like, share, comment and subscribe. Click that bell, 10 times posting to get the video, you see me. Don't know the thing set. I respect to all of the new subscribers them. Respect to all of the supporting subscribers. Same way. I don't know. I want to come back and watch the video then. I respect that too. If I ever 500 come and watch the video, I give thanks for that series. I forgive thanks for blessing and everything. You see me. I care if I 5 person watch the video or 2 person watch the video. As long as somebody contribute, you see me. So I respect that. Bless them. So not talk too long because I talk a lot. So begin right. No. You the rhythm already. Yo, you the rhythm already, bro. Kamakaze. Kamakaze.
Dog, yeah. AKA Barjack Pool, whatever you wanna call me, yeah. Beneath the looking glass, BLG, hold tight, twisted pennies. JDZmedia Road Rage, you get me. Hold tight, all the Leicester man doing it big at the moment.
Yo, and you know the funniest thing too, if somebody fit him, you don't never think that brother can spit him something. The man look like you're not gonna be a liar, bro. Big man thing. You know them liar there? Or them fancy boy there. I said the man look. But the man a spit.
Hold tight all the SDR man, hold tight curly hyper as always, you get me. Hold tight my boys, you know what I'm saying? Man's been away for a little while, innit, yeah? Hold tight Hughes as well, yeah? Listen, yo, look. I've been about since Kamakaze, since Road Deep made Heartache Avenue. See, I'm a big dog, no, I'm not scrappy dude. The man a weak spirited like Malibu. I'm more than nice, Morgan Spice, head up in the clouds. Northern Lights, it's the next thing, head spin. Warrior, I'm Redskin, I am the shit that you stepped to.
You know what man say I'm Redskin. I like Morgan Ice. Yo, but tell you know, them brother spit lyrics like crazy, bro. And what I like, the thing them actually rhyme together. It's like, what them rhyme things that actually rhyme together. Them not put things that don't match. And that made them things sick. Big man thing.
Attack with a hammer and sickle, does that make me left wing? Man can't walk in my crepe thing, attack from the sky.
Oh, hammer and sickle, that be like communist thing. So they hammer and sickle, that make me a west wing. So it be like politics right there, see, that's me.
Yeah, that's Zeppelin, man move slide, know who's a brethren. See they ain't baking a loaf, they're cutting your slice and making a toast. They ain't chick for the bottle, they're making a toast. Don't bring to the table, they take from the host. I ain't ghost, I'm a poltergeist. When I did it for me, I'm Walter White. I got 2 wheels, yeah, that's a motorbike. Man wanna snake me, then know the price. Schizo, we told them right, I can make you an enemy overnight. Man got Hennessy, Coke and ice. Man got the remedy, flow that's nice.
Yo, but that's a lie. The man actually writing and the man think got the remedy. Cool. What I'm saying, hold on here. Come back on it about it. I'm not mixed up in it.
Man got Hennessy, Coke and ice. Man got the remedy, flow that's nice.
Man got the remedy, that flow and nice. In flow, cool. You see me? Everything I say, listen, that brother cool. I'm fine so in fight match or I'm doing thing, you see me? It's a big man to read that brother dog.
You can never be with it. That's a series of unfortunate events. Lemony Snicket, got Coke, mixed Hennessy with it. I'm the fox, never the chicken, like Bot. You go around in circles like Dot Goose. Do we get fucked up? True. I swear the tape, it must have come unstopped. A couple knots, they must have come loose. And just to conclude, you must be confused. You can never do what I does, cause I fit the profile. I am the unsub, 21, still no bum flop. Yeah, man, I get top. You're at home in your room getting top. Me, I'm out with the goons getting fucked up. But I swear my life's kinda fucked up. But I'm looking for a happier day. I got my city on my back, I'm trying to carry the weight. But MCs wanna come and get carried away. That's when they get body bagged and carried away.
Come by, that MC them got carried away in duffel bags. They're like when they go to the black bag them, you see me? Not like money bag, you know, like the big black bag them. And then they get stressed out.
Why I was unsure, trying to step on like I was next to the front door. Come against me, then you're done for. Give you a run for your money. Go on then, come for me, son, eh? Cold out here, my country ain't sun, eh? Got no peace, blood, you still.
So when I say everything the man say cold out here, my country is sunny. UK, everybody know about the UK. Say UK, how you go again? Them have 22 days of forecast and the rest are sunlight. That's all. I don't remember, but them have less sunlight than most countries, isn't it? So it's cool in the UK.
Ask mum for your money, look. And if you can't tell, B.O.G. I still rep for the cartel. Used to spit bars with Scheme and Marcel. If you got a coat, better mix it with a Martel.
Oh, Ski Mask!
Yeah, when man said I used to let Matic spray.
Ski the Mask,
yeah. Grime sounds better in a northern accent. On the ball in a modern rap.
Oh, so you have a northern accent.
Had big bars from way back when. Now I'm back on my Leicester shit. And I'm doing it again like Skepta did. I'm the youth that they want to get extra with. I pressure chick, then I sex and dip. Left through the side of the road like call a cab. Call your dad, don't expect to lift. And the rest are myth. I spin heads like the Exorcist. No, you man are vexed and pissed. Probably because I fucked your ex and sis. Yeah.
Man, don't man say, yo. Man, clap him ex and him sister. Total disrespect, bruh. The man now give zero crap. And him say something about northern accent. So that means him come from northern UK or what that go? Ireland? Ireland that or Scotland? Let me know which part they come from, you see me? Let me know in the comment section which part him come from in the UK. I know the UK are 4 countries, right? England, Ireland, Scotland, and what are they? Say it right? England, Scotland, Ireland, and Wales. Let me know still, I don't really know. Remember.
B.O.G.
You want to the end of the reaction to Kamakaze Road Rage. You don't need to put more respect on Kamakaze name because that youth him bad, bro. Him flow, chill and cool, but when him really him thing, bro. Because anybody see him, them that say, oh, you're going to sit down here, man, but the way him look simple. The brother spit, bro. Big man, you have to give him respect, you see me? Kamakaze, big up yourself. UK, big up yourself. The whole world, bless up. You see me? Cream Boss in the building, out of this bitch. Peace out.